Hi, my name is Jenny Bjorkman. I'm an Edinburgh girl and I work for a little fintech for social good startup in Edinburgh called Sustainably as UX lead, and my husband and I also set up a design studio called Interactive. Yeah, so project management, you don't do anything creative really. I felt like I was doing other people's admin for them, so I really missed doing something creative. And now that I'm doing UX, especially as UX lead, I am managing projects. I mean, I'm still utilising those skills, but I'm getting to do all sorts of other things as well. Even just doing the diploma really opened doors because people were really interested in it, and even seasoned UXers were really interested in it. Well, when I actually started my job 2 weeks before I sat the exam, so I finished the diploma, and while I was doing the diploma I was networking. I felt really supported through the course, so the team are great and they really care about their students and they're always at the other end of intercom. I would highly recommend the UX Design Institute course to other people. I get about 3 people a week now coming and asking me about the course, and that's one of the things that I always reassure them on, is that I know it's an online course, but you will feel supported and the support's there if you need it.